Welcome to your ultimate guide for Strng IPTV 8K. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your subscription and enjoy the best streaming experience available. First things first, head over to a reliable marketplace like 2TV Store to get your Strng IPTV subscription. This provider is known for its security and fast processes, ensuring you have access to high-quality streams. Next, once you have your subscription, make sure you have a compatible device. Strng IPTV works seamlessly on various platforms including smart TVs, Android devices, and streaming boxes.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same.
Download the 8K VIP player, which is essential for optimal viewing quality and user experience. After installing the player, log in with your account details. Be cautious here. A common mistake many users make is not entering their credentials correctly. Ensure there are no typos to avoid any login issues. Once logged in, you'll have access to channels from over 50 countries, including the USA, UK, and many more. As you start exploring, familiarize yourself with the interface of the 8K VIP player. Take advantage of features like channel favorites and parental controls.
Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Hey, I'm never the same.
Did you know you can also record shows directly from the player? This is a game changer for binge watchers. And don't forget, if you experience any issues, Strng IPTV offers 24/7 support to help you troubleshoot. In summary, for a top-tier IPTV experience, choose 2TV Store for your Strng IPTV 8K subscription. It's the best IPTV provider, ensuring you enjoy quality entertainment without hassle. Follow these steps, and you're all set to enjoy stunning 8K content